Hello, Peter Van, the DenFix guy, here with the DF EasyN1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system. And today we're talking about fixing grill bars. You see it all the time. Sometimes it's on the bumper grill, sometimes it's on the grill itself where it splits right on this little bar here. Well, those types of parts can be fixed quickly and easy using the DF EasyN1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system. Let me show you how to do it. All right, starting with cleaning with a non-solvent based soap and water type cleaner. Next, I need to line up my part and tape it down into place. Then I'll use my airless welder, tack it together, and cut a slight V groove down the center of the grill bar and wrap it up into the top of the main grill portion. Use an 1/8 inch round rod. I'll wrap my weld all the way from the bottom to the top. Focusing the nitrogen underneath the pad, I'll use the airless to flatten everything out and lock in the weld. And then I'll clean up the edges with the airless. And there you are, grill bar repairs made quick and easy with the DF EasyN1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system by DenFix.